Today I'm gonna show you an improved version of the airplane window transition, so let's go. What you need to shoot. So first let's pretend I'm in a plane. This is the airplane window. Now, take your camera. Position it like this so we can see the whole airplane window in our frame. Make a dolly forward movement and slide it into the window until we can only see the view out of the plane. And we see no edges of the window anymore. When you've recorded this kind of clip, you can already start with your edit. Cool, so this is the clip we've just recorded in the plane. Now go to the Effects tab, type in Mask, and drag the Draw Mask onto your clip. When you start the dolly forward movement, apply a mask to the outline of the window. Cool, when you've done that, this is gonna happen, so go over here and invert the mask. Now adjust the feather a little bit so we truly can't see anything of the actual view anymore, like that. And now right click, add keyframes, and now we go always one frame forward or 2 frames. Depends on how much you've been moving with your camera, and just adjust the mask size. We just want to achieve that we always mask out the airplane view. And at some point you probably also need to adjust the actual form of the mask. So in this case, I want you to go to the last keyframe you've made in the Transform tab, then go over here to Draw Mask, right click it and add keyframes to every single property. Because if we wouldn't do this, the mask would change its form from the beginning of the frame until this part, and this would look very weird. So yeah, just do this. When you have done with that, you should have like a mask which adjusts itself to the window, and yeah, we basically masked out the view. Right here, when it actually tracks to the window frame, like when it begins, set a cut right there, and over here where we didn't track the mask to the window frame, we're gonna deactivate the mask, and it only begins over here. Cool. Now I want you to go to the first frame of the mask part. Set a keyframe over here at opacity and set it to 0. Then go like a couple of frames forward. Let's say, yeah, it was like 1 second approximately. Yeah, and set a keyframe again to the opacity 100. So now we got like a good transition into the mask. Cool. Now I want you to mark both clips. Right click it and create a new compound clip. So mark this clip, type in Command C, go over here, Command V. Now we got 2 of the same clips. It's just the same dolly movement. To avoid that, we're gonna reverse the first clip. So now we are moving out, and I want you now to apply a speed ramp to the clip. During the dolly outward movement, we want to apply a speed ramp until here. Yeah. So go over here to blade speed. Increase the speed of the first part. Exactly this kind of speed ramp movement we also want to have in our second clip. So actually now we can delete the second clip. Again, copy that. Now we got the speed ramp here. Now we actually just want to reverse this clip. We can't do it because we applied some speed ramps in the clip we want to reverse. So just go here, create a new compound clip, And then we can reverse the clip. And now it works fine! Look at this. We built our transition. We can also kind of make the like in the middle when we see the airplane, we can make it faster just by cutting it. Okay, so here's our ready transition. Now you guys just gotta pick 2 clips you want to have your transition in between of them. And as you can see, I picked this one and this one. And what I did here is to have a speed ramp at the end of the first clip, because the speed ramp again matches really well with the accelerated dolly out movement of the effect. Because we mask out the window, like we can still see the landscape, and then we have our dolly in movement, boom. And over here I also used in the clip where we're transitioning into a speed ramp at the beginning to match it up with the movement of the dolly in movement of the clip. Oh man, I just said so many times movement, but okay, I hope it makes sense, bro. And by the way, if the masking does not work, just put a Lumic here on each clip. Cool, and this is our final result. You can also put in some sound effects to make it even work better and just make it feel more real. And I hope it kind of made sense what I said. You can also just follow exactly what I did here on the screen, and then it will work 100%. If you have still some questions, just ask me in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye!